Hey, bestie. I called you bestie. Because I thought you might hate it. Did you hate it? It's good to see you too. Is that your stuff? Wait, that's all of it? Christmas break is for 3 weeks. You have enough stuff in there to last you for 3 weeks? Okay, go ahead and put it in the back seat. Sorry I'm late. It took me like 20 minutes just to zip up my suitcase. I had to get Amy to sit on it with me. She's very excited that you and I are carpooling, by the way. She thinks this will give us a chance to get to know each other one-on-one. When the three of us are hanging out, she apparently gets the idea that you and I don't like each other. I know, who would have thought? What gave her that impression? Well, we have 9 hours in the car together, so I think we're either gonna come out of this best friends or dead from strangling each other. Get in the car already, it's freezing outside. I have the heater on in here. So, since it's a 9-hour drive, I was thinking that we would take shifts. I'll drive the first 3 hours and you drive the next 3, and then from there, we both drive an hour and a half. Or if you'd prefer, I can drive the final 3, because honestly, I like driving and it's no problem. I just need a break in between, because my eyes get strained easily. What are you doing? It's freezing outside. Do you really want the window rolled down? Well, I'm not overheated in here. If you're too hot in here, I can turn off the heater. But then I'll get cold. Here's an idea. How about you take off your gigantic winter jacket? No, I'm not putting on a jacket. My jacket is in my suitcase, and you do not want me to unzip that thing. An avalanche of everything I've ever owned in my 21 years of living will spill out and swallow us whole. You take off your jacket. Hey! Stop it. What the hell? What is wrong with you? Stop. Child safety lock. You lose. So, this is how it's gonna be, huh? I was willing to play nice and pretend that we don't hate each other, but if you'd rather spend the next 9 hours fighting like children, that's fine too. Okay, great. Then let's pretend. So, pretty cool that we're both from the same area. It's a shame we never met until Amy introduced us. Hey, I thought we agreed to play nice. What was that? Well, what you just said sounded very sarcastic. I wasn't being sarcastic, I was being genuine. What? Yes, I'm fine. Was it easy for you to leave home and go off to college? Really? Yeah. Yeah, me too. Ow, careful. I know I told you to take off your jacket, but I didn't tell you to elbow me in the eye in the process. What are you doing? Oh my gosh, here. Unbuckle your seatbelt. Do you want help? Yeah, I can see that. Okay, I'll pull on this sleeve. It's like babysitting. Nothing. Okay, so what are you most looking forward to doing when you get home? Okay, and after that? Me, I'm most looking forward to my mom's cooking and my dad's hugs and my little sister's everything. I haven't seen her in so long. She's 7. Yeah, she's kind of my best friend. I mean, apart from Amy. Anyway, we're gonna open presents, go sledding, build gingerbread houses. I'm so excited. What about you? Do you have any big Christmas plans with your family? I think that sounds nice. You know, if you didn't have plans, I was gonna invite you to join mine. What? Why is that funny? I wasn't kidding. Screw you. Every time I try to be nice, you think I'm being sarcastic. I know, I like listening to music on the radio more than listening on my phone. Because it's more fun. You get commentary, and you get to be surprised when your favorite song comes on. I hate this song. I hate this song too. Not Christmas music. I'm skipping it.
Biologically related to my partner.
What the Okay, I'm turning it off. Jeez, it's like you're determined to disagree with me on everything. Do you want coffee? I want coffee. Really? Awesome. Okay, then I'm gonna pull into this gas station here. No, actually, I filled the gas tank before I picked you up, so we're all set. All we need is caffeine. I'll run in. Oh my gosh, it's so cold out here. And windy. I'll leave the keys with you, so you can keep the heater running. Unless you're still too hot. Okay, I'll be back in a sec. Oh, how do you like your coffee? Okay, I'm gonna go in now. You wait here. And don't drive off, leaving me stranded. I know that's what you're thinking. Here, think fast. I got you snacks. You like those, don't you? I've seen you eat them. I'm so cold. I was outside for like 10 seconds and I already can't feel my fingers. What are you doing? Heating my hands up. Thanks. Oh, I should probably tell you. the guy at the checkout said that there is a snowstorm coming. I don't know, he just said to be careful, so... But we're careful, are we not? Are you hungry for anything else? We could go through a drive-thru and get, like, fries or something. Okay, maybe later. I need coffee. Can you hand it to me? Thank you. The coffee is surprisingly good for a gas station. Yeah, but that may just be because I went into it with low expectations. Still, I'd get it again. There are so few cars out on the road. I hope that's not because of the big bad storm. It'll be fine, I'm sure. Hey, you haven't said anything about my car. Do you like it? It's new. Well, the car itself isn't new, but it's new to me. I got it last week. Well, yeah, because I planned on inviting you to carpool, and I wanted to get a new car to impress you. Are you impressed? Thank you very much. I know, sorry about the lack of legroom. But legroom wasn't very high on my list of priorities. Well, my number one priority was cheap. I don't need a lot of room. That's true, I do need a lot of room in my suitcase. Why did you pack so light? You have like nothing. You have everything you need. Really? Okay, did you pack a toothbrush? Did you pack underwear? Shampoo? Flamethrower? Wow, you thought of everything. Remind me to put you on the top of my people I want on my team in a zombie apocalypse list. Top of the list. Right above Bear Grylls. Third is Samuel L. Jackson. Wait, how old is he? Okay, he's bumped down to fourth. Post Malone takes third. You know, I can't explain it. I just think he'd be really great in a zombie apocalypse. How long do you think you'd last? How long do you think we'd last together? I would not kill you. No. You're so cynical. I would not turn on you. Also, you're the one with the flamethrower. If anybody is killing anybody, it's you. I'm glad I decided to do this. I mean, I'm glad I had the idea for us to carpool. At first, I wasn't sure if I should invite you. I wasn't even sure if you'd say yes. But this isn't so bad. Okay, you're stranded on a desert island. You can have 3 items. What are they? I have never in my life heard of that. I don't know what that is. What are you even talking about right now? Once, but I was like 3, so I don't remember any of it. It's your turn to drive, by the way. I'll pull over in a sec. What is wrong with you? How can you say that? That is... Yes, I disagree. Oh my gosh. I can't even... It's moments like these where I remember why we're not friends. Oh my gosh. Yes, exactly. Stop it. Stop it. How long was I asleep? Wow, that coffee was weak. Yeah? What is it? Are you okay? You're kidding. Please tell me this is a joke. They can't be shutting down the highway. The snowstorm is that bad, huh? Okay, well... Okay, we just need to find a back road or something. No, you're right. Too dangerous. Okay, what do we do? Okay, we're not sleeping in my car. Well, first of all, it's cramped as hell. Secondly, we'll freeze to death. Thirdly, I don't know if you snore. Look, we'll find a motel. We can both get a room. And then, hopefully, tomorrow everything will be better. How does that sound? Good. Okay. So, get off here, I guess. Wait, this is good. There are signs. Yeah, they have, a Denny's. No, I'm not suggesting we sleep in a Denny's. But I'm just saying there's civilization here. We're not in the middle of nowhere. Look for any neon signs. Oh, right there, look. Look, it's a motel. Pull over, pull over. Okay, let's go in and just verify that they have any rooms available. If they do, then we can come back for our stuff. It's so cold, oh my gosh. Excuse me? Hi, do you have any rooms available? Okay, just the one? Really? Okay, one bed. Okay. I don't know if, let me consult with my, friend here. What now? You're not sleeping in the car. That's crazy. We'll take it. Well, it could be worse. It could have a weird smell. At least the room doesn't smell. Okay, it's only one night. Let's just get it over with. We'll each take a side of the bed. We'll sleep off this miserable, miserable night, and tomorrow the highway will be open and we'll be able to head home. Time to unleash the avalanche. Duck for cover. Of course the zipper is stuck. I'm trying. What the hell? Damn suitcase. Thanks for the encouragement. Ow! You try. It's impossible. It won't even... You made it look so easy. Well, there goes all my stuff. No, the Barbies are not for me. You think I take packaged Barbie dolls with me wherever I go? They're for my little sister, for Christmas. I still need to gift wrap them. I'm gonna do that once I get home. She's gonna love them. Or at least I hope she's gonna love them. They take up half the room in my suitcase. I'm gonna get changed in the bathroom. I'll be right back. Stop staring at my suitcase. I have underwear in there. The water here tastes weird. What are you doing? Yeah, I can see that. But why are you on the floor? I thought we were gonna share the bed. It makes no sense for you to sleep on the floor. Your back is gonna hurt and you'll be freezing without a blanket. Fine. Don't forget a pillow. Did you just say ouch? I threw a pillow at you. Hey, I was giving you a pillow. I was being nice. Here, take two. Hit me with it again and I'll throw my suitcase next. You're welcome for the pillows. Are you actually gonna sleep in jeans? No, I don't want you to strip naked. Shut up. I do, however, want you to be comfortable. And you do not look comfortable. Why what? Why do I want you to be comfortable? I don't know. Now that I think about it, I guess I don't care. Good night. Oh, just one question. What do you want me to do with your frozen carcass in the morning? Should I find a nearby dumpster or... You missed. Careful, you're gonna run out of ammo. I know, I'll just stuff you in my giant suitcase. Joke's on you. Now you have to sleep without any pillows. Hey! I was using that. Give me back my pillow. I want that one. Because it's already imprinted with the shape of my head. I just got comfortable. Stop it. You're behaving like a child. I tossed you a pillow and you saw it as some kind of personal attack. Talk about being paranoid. I'm sorry if it hit you in the face, but that was an accident. Give me back my pillow. I don't want one of the other ones. I want this one. You are so freaking annoying. I never should have agreed to carpool with you. What? Did I say agreed? I meant... It was Amy's idea that we carpool, okay? She told me to invite you and pretend like it was my idea. She really wants us to get along, so I agreed. No, this wasn't my idea. You think I thought of this all by myself? Like I woke up one day and thought, hey, I think I want to spend my winter break cramped in the car for 9 hours with my least favorite person in the world. She begged me for like 3 days straight to invite you, and I finally said that I would do it, just to make her happy. But I'm glad... What? I can't tell what you're thinking. Are you upset? I'm sorry I lied to you. I didn't think it was a big deal. Amy said that you and I had a better shot at becoming friends if you were under the impression that I actually wanted to carpool with you. That's not what I meant. I'm sorry. I did want to carpool with you. Maybe not at first, but after a few hours in the car with you, I was glad that I invited you. I told you I was glad that I invited you, remember? Are you mad at me? A little? To be fair, I mean, are you ever not mad at me? Sorry. I was really surprised when you said yes to carpooling. I thought for sure that you were gonna say no. Why didn't you say no? I don't hate you either. When I said least favorite person, it was hyperbole. I was just being dramatic. I'm sorry. Yes, there are times where you make me want to rip my hair out, but I don't hate you. Dislike is maybe a better word. But I dislike you a lot less than I did a few hours ago. I can't believe you have the audacity to act like I'm the one that hates you, when you would rather freeze to death sleeping on the floor than share a bed with me. What do you mean I didn't want to share a bed? I was the one who insisted on it. Oh my gosh, look. When I called tonight miserable, and when I said, let's get this over with, I was more so referring to the blizzard and, like, just the chaos of tonight. I'm sorry if it came off like I was, like I didn't want to share a bed with you. Not that I'm dying to share a bed with you either. I'm not sitting here pining for you to get under the blankets and spoon me. Can I have my pillow back? You can take up more space on the bed. Come closer. I lied earlier. When I asked you if it was easy for you to move off to college, and you said yes. And I said me too. I actually struggled a lot. I'm not good with change. I was super homesick, and I struggled with making friends. It's funny, you go to a place surrounded by people your age who are in the same stage of life, and yet you feel more alone than ever. At least I did. Then I met Amy. We had a couple classes together, so we started sharing notes, and then we started studying together. And I finally had a friend. And then you came along. And the dynamic shifted a little, and suddenly I had to share Amy with you, and maybe I felt like you were stealing my best friend from me a little. And when we started hanging out, the three of us, you and I just can never seem to agree on anything, can we? It was immature of me to feel like threatened by your friendship with Amy. I'm sorry. I want to be friends with you. I think we should try at least. We had a few moments, didn't we? On the road where we maybe slipped somewhere into the realm of friendish. I still want you on my zombie apocalypse team. Good night. Psst. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Hi. Wake up. The storm is over. Look, it's sunny. I bet the highway is open again. It's a Christmas miracle. You know another Christmas miracle? Turns out you don't snore. I slept like a baby. How did you sleep? You're welcome. I'm sorry for shaking you awake, but I didn't want to sit around waiting for you to wake up. I'm antsy to get back on the road. You're not a morning person, are you? Well, too bad, because I want to go, please. You know what would wake you up? A shower. Nice cold shower. Or a hot shower. Or, better yet, I could grab a cup of water and just spill it over your head right now. Go take a shower so that we can get moving. Come on. Go, 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 go. I'm pushing you out of bed. Wow, it's like trying to push a boulder. Will you please get up so that we can hit the road? Thank you. I love this. The sunshine, the brisk morning air. I am feeling good. Are you okay? You keep rubbing your jaw. What? I hit you? In my sleep? Wait, actually? Oh no. I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. I didn't know I move around much in my sleep. You okay? I still feel bad. I'm sorry, I didn't know I had such a violent streak. What? I was also very affectionate. Oh no, do I even want to hear this part? I did. Oops. Okay, next time, if I start snuggling you in my sleep again, feel free to shake me off. Or sock me in the face. Just kidding, please don't, that would hurt. What? Oh, did I say next time? I don't know why I said that. I'm not planning getting caught in any blizzards again, are you? Okay. Is this your house? This one here? Okay, I'll pull over. There's no car in the driveway. Is anyone home? Ah, so you'll have the house to yourself for a few hours. That's nice. What? Are you inviting me inside? My parents are expecting me home for lunch, but I can come in for a little while. Okay. I like your house. The outside. I mean, I like the outside. Wow, pretty Christmas tree. I love it. Do I get to see your room? Okay, take me to your room. Down here? Okay. This is exactly what I expected. No, I love it. It's nice. It's just what I pictured. Yeah, except there might have been a dartboard on the wall with a picture of my face pinned to it, but other than that, it's exactly what I imagined. Comfy bed, may I? Is it good to be home? You know, since you only live, what, like 20 minutes away from me, it wouldn't be that weird for us to spend some of Christmas break together. I mean, I think it would be even weirder to spend the next 3 weeks ignoring the fact that we live so close. I wonder if we've ever seen each other before. Like at a grocery store or something. I mean, we both grew up here. We've probably walked right by each other. Isn't that weird? How do you know for sure that we haven't? Because you would have noticed me? That is probably the very last thing I expected to happen on our road trip. Well, it sure is better than strangling each other. I should probably go if I'm gonna make it home in time for lunch. Okay. Well, I'll, see you at school. Or, hopefully, before then, if we do hang out during winter break. Or, better yet, if you decide not to take a plane back to school and you want to carpool again, we could, I don't know, get stuck in another blizzard or something. I promise not to sock you in the face in my sleep again. Okay, well, I'll see ya, bestie. Sorry, I'll think of something better. Something that will make you hate me even more. Snookums? Cutie patootie? Cuddle muffin? Wait, no, I'm sorry, I'll stop. Please don't hate me. You can't make me stay longer by distracting me. Stop it. I'm leaving. Gosh, okay, bye. Don't forget to ice your jaw. It's starting to bruise.